This is one of the ways you can use to know what are the recently deleted apps on your device. So let's get started. So suppose this is the app we are using, we are installing this, and how would you know that this is the app that you have installed? So what you can do is simply go to the Google Play Store, tap on the Play Store icon, tap on your profile, get into the manage apps. Now in this section, simply tap on manage, and here are the installed options. So simply uncheck this to the not installed. So as you can see, these are all the apps that previously were installed on the device, but I have installed them. So like tap on filter it out from the recently updated. So in this list, you will definitely find that Lubina Walls that you have installed, Ton Keeper, and these are all the apps and the games that I have installed very recently. So this is how you can check the recently deleted apps on any Android phone. I hope you found the information helpful. If it does, then like button is for you, or you can read the article link given in the description.